Good morning or afternoon, wherever you are. I'm feeling a bit low-key today, so let's just do a really skin-focused look together. I've been obsessed with how my skin feels lately, so I'm starting with this Isntree toner. It really helps everything just melt in. I follow it up with a Rhode glazing milk. I love how it makes my skin hydrated, plump, and just sets the stage for makeup. I feel my skin bouncier and it just sets right tone to start my makeup with. I am not doing a full coverage moment today, just going in with something light. First, I want to start up with my lip tint from Wonderskin. I'm gonna leave it for a minute or so. Till then, I would start doing my brows. Brows are my me time. I'm just following the natural shape with the L'Oreal brow pen. I used to try and make them twins, but now I've accepted they are just distant cousins. So I just focus on lining them, shaping them according to my natural shape, nothing too much. I'm gonna start with my one size primer. I focus on my T-zone area and then all over my face with the remaining primer. I think my lip tint is done, so I'm just wiping it out. I really like how it gives a subtle pink tone to my lips. Now I'm trying to line my lips with this sacheu lip stain. I actually do this to keep my lip liner stay much longer. Um, that's what I feel. It's been helping me. It just keeps my lip lined for a longer period of time. So yeah, I've been enjoying this liner. Today I'm gonna go with something light, not too much. So I'm gonna use this combo Hourglass skin tint with this Rhode glazing milk. I feel like the older I get, the less I want to feel makeup on my skin. And I've seen Hailey people do this, and then a lot of people started following this trend, and I tried it once, and I've not stopped doing it. So whenever I feel not to do too much or do something lightweight, I use this. Now for a touch of brightness here, we're gonna use two concealer. I did my under eye with glossier and the rest with hauslabs concealer. We are gonna blend it in my skin with the help of a setting spray. I use the milk makeup setting spray there, and now taking a good time blending it in my skin. Oh, look at that lip stain. I love it. I bought myself a Chanel bronzer as a pre-birthday gift. I feel everybody should spoil themselves with gifts. I love how this bronzer melts in my skin, does not turn out orangey, it just warms my skin the right amount that I want. Really loving the feel of the bronzer here. Now this is where I feel like I come back to life. Blush. I love blush, and this right one here from Redchamber, the shade feels so just right. It just feels like just came in for my walk flush that I'm obsessed with lately. I use the hauslabs mascara for the natural lash look, and then last part is setting everything together with a powder. I will be listing all the products down in the description. I have used the patmcgrath blush for the blush setter. I really love it. I usually use the powder part more than the cream part. So that's my blush. That's my blush topper. Setting everything in with the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. I got it recently and I am in awe. It is really magic. It blurs out so good. The last step is the lip. I am using a brown lip liner and a lip gloss for that toasty look. And that's the finished look. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.